Calm down. That king is dead. You are the king and no one can harm you.
I'm scared.
So then the witch appeared. We read your heart. We know your presence is the
Who the hell are you?
We respect your title of king. Tell us, Macbeth, what do you wish to know? To my husband, these wishes seem to be on our side.
I wish to know how I will die.
Let's take a look at the street as we fall. Now, Macbeth, these two we get to. You will never be killed by any man born of a woman.
What does that mean?
Yes! What do you think? The duty has come. The duty of ours. In the your life so
Never be killed by any man born of a woman. That means no one can kill me.
Right. You don't need to be scared. Anyone is innocent.
So I will be the king forever. Hey, wait, that's still messed up Lord of Fifth. He never trusts my innocence.
Quite easy. Kill them all. At Macbeth's castle, he and his family were having a picnic in the garden. When Macbeth drove around.
กลับกี่โมงวะ
This is a present for you, sir.
แล้วเฮ้ยเหี้ยแม่เอฟดีมาก
Lady Macbeth and her son died. Macbeth was left all alone.